Hey folks, welcome back to the Bear Ranch Garage, and today I thought I'd make a really quick video talking about some thoughts I have on how mechanics make money. Now, mind you, I'm not a professional mechanic by any means. I'm not a mechanic in any sort. I don't make my living turning wrenches, but I know a bit about how things work and how warranty works and how the pay system works. In fact, I was at a Ford dealer the other day arguing about some warranty coverage, and he says, "Are you a mechanic?" I said, "No, I'm not a mechanic, but I just kind of understand this stuff." Anyway, today before work, I had about just a little bit under an hour before work, and I had a bad injector in this motor, which requires the intake manifold to be pulled. And so I really thought it'd be convenient if I could have that injector in hand so I could stop by the parts store on the way home and replace it. But I wasn't 100% certain I'd have enough time to pull the intake before going to work. So I threw everything I had at it, and I went smooth and fast, as I've done this job like many times before now. And I got it done in just about 45 minutes. I was really proud of myself, I was patting myself on the back. And I went to work, came back, got my injector warranted and all that. Obviously, I haven't put it back yet, but I was looking at the book time. And the OEM dealer book time for pulling the intake and removing 7/10 of an hour, which is 42 minutes. And so this big fast time that I thought I had is basically what they pay dealer techs for this. I don't believe many dealer techs are seeing these cars anymore, so it's kind of moot. The Chilton book time, like what you get at an independent shop, was 1 hour. But even then, even an expert level mechanic, if they haven't done this job before, not familiar with this engine, I defy you to do this job in an hour without breaking things and losing things. So it got me to thinking about flat rate, the system of pay most dealer mechanics work under. Us like, you know, flat rate would be awesome if you could only get a certain set of models in model years cars. Like if you only did VWs from, and if you're at a dealer, you're only going to be doing relatively new cars, because once cars are out of warranty or older, people aren't going to pay you to do service on them. But it got me to thinking and wondering how independent technicians work. And so I would imagine they're not flat rate, but I guess some of them are. I'm not sure. So I know there's professional technicians that watch this channel, and I'd really love to be curious to hear your thoughts on it. So let me know what you guys do and how you work, and what your thoughts are. So I'll go ahead and finish this beer and put this intake back on, hopefully with that injector there where it's supposed to go, and hopefully get this thing running off my driveway. But go ahead and leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think, what your experiences are, and most of all, let me have a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, I know we're not really talking about anything substantial here, but just kind of giving my thoughts. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, please go ahead and subscribe and check out a bunch more of them on the channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.